Explain control system. Consider a room. Let the temperature of the room be 32 degrees centigrade. Let us consider an air conditioner fitted in the room. Suppose we need to set the temperature of the room to 20 degrees centigrade. For that, we switch on the AC and fix the temperature of AC to 20 degrees centigrade. It is noticed that the temperature of the room starts decreasing to desired temperature and stops decreasing after that. In other words, we may say that the temperature of the room is controlled automatically by the AC. Now let us consider a fan. Temperature of the room can be controlled by fan by regulating the speed of the fan by the regulator manually. In other words, we may say that the temperature of the room is controlled manually by the fan. Such systems, which control some parameters, either automatically or manually, are known as control systems. Thus, control system is the system which controls some parameters either manually or automatically. Block diagram of the simple control system consists of the input, a control element, and the output. Control systems can be classified into two types as open loop system and closed loop system. Some of the examples where we can see the application of control system are iron, washing machine, etc. The related terms are